welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. I am Amzolin K and welcome to my Christmas home decor haul part 2. If you haven't seen the first one, I'm gonna link it right up here, so go ahead and check it out. But without further ado, let's get right into this one because I've got a lot to share with you guys and it's getting dark, so let's get started. Alright, so I shopped from different stores, but the first one I'm gonna start off with is Lutz XXL, and the majority of these things I got from there, so I'm gonna start off with XXL Lutz. Okay, so, alright, so the first thing I got at this garland, I got this one with the snowflakes on it. I also got it in a plain green, and I got 2 of this and 2 of the plain green. Alright, so the second item that I picked from Lutz were this Christmas tree ornaments. Look at this ornament, absolutely beautiful, super elegant, classic. I love them. And so I got those ones in different sizes and designs. Small ones were €2.49 and the medium size were €4.99, and the bigger ones were, hold on, the bigger ones were €5.99, so for each. And I got about, I think I got about 12 of these, but this is all I can hold in my hand. But you guys are gonna see everything in the Christmas deco video, which is coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's it for the ornaments. Now we're moving on to the third item. Okay, so the third thing that I got is this cute reindeer right here. I got this one for €5.99. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's so cute. Okay, so next I got this cutlery holders or cutlery rings. So I got these ones from €2.99 each, and I got about 2, 4, 6, about 8 of these, but I have 7 right here. So one is missing. It must be in between the things, but yeah, I got 8 of these, super beautiful. I got them in silver and gold. Okay, so the next thing that I got from Lutz, these branches of flowers kind of situation. So I got these ones in gold, kind of bronze gold kind of color, and I also got these ones in like a snowball. Really cute. And I must say the items from Lutz were quite expensive. Like this one was like €14.99 for this single one, and these were like, so this one were like €5.99 for each, and I got 2 branches of them. So yeah, it is quite an expensive place to shop, but you've got some really unique pieces. Next I got this Christmas mini tree for €9.99 with some snowflakes on it, and it is gorgeous, beautiful, quite pricey. I wouldn't have taken it, but it's already here, so I'm sure I can find cheaper ones from other stores, but yeah, it's here already. I don't know if I've shown this already. So next on the list I got this Christmas decorative ornaments as well. I think I got 2 or 3 packs of these, I can't remember, but I can only find 2 right now, and these were $5.99 each. I just love them because they're just unique, and they've got a combination of stuff in. You've got some pine cones, some woods, and all that stuff going on, so this is going to be interesting to decorate with. Alright, so next I've got this star situation. I'm gonna go on the tree, on the Christmas tree, and I got 2 packs of those, and each was €6.99, so super cute. Next I got a pack of those mini trees, which are a pack of 4, and they were €4.99, and you've got 4 pieces in there, and they've got this attachment thing right here, which you can just clip on the trees or wherever you want to use it for. And they've got some sparkly glitters all over them, super cute. Now this is the star of the cake. Okay, so I got this star thing, or the crown for the tree, that this is going to go right at the top of the tree, and I just love it. It's just different. It's got some stones in there and in gold. This is really beautiful. I thought it was beautiful, so I had to get it, and it matches absolutely the deco theme, and it was €14.99. Super elegant. I think it was worth the price. Okay, so next I got some stars. They've got some pearls, glitters, and some kind of fabric around them. Super creative. These are so beautiful. I hope you can see the details. I don't know if you can actually see the details, but this is so beautiful. I'm thinking of hanging these on the tree or somewhere on the wall. I'm not sure yet, but I've got 3 of those, and they were $3.99 each. I thought they were beautiful. Okay guys, so I guess that was all I got from Lutz XXL. The X, triple X. So the tongue has to intertwine just to pronounce 3 X's at the same time. Lutz XXXL. So that was it from their outlets, and now we're gonna move on to the next, which was TK Maxx. So I got a few pieces from TK Maxx as well, and let's get right into them. The first thing I got from TK Maxx was this mirror tray right here. I dislike when the ring lights reflect on stuff, so I'm just gonna give you a quick glance. So it's padded at the back with some velvet material, and it's got the silver rim and with textures all around. Super elegant and really big. I got one like that in gold, but it was small, and this is really a perfect size for my coffee table, and this is going to look so elegant. I am thinking of having a couple of things on it. Anyways, we're gonna see how it goes on the Christmas decorating. It was on sale, but still pricey. It was €24.99. Next from TK Maxx, I got this coffee towels or napkins. It's a thyme and sage one, and I got them for $7.95 for a set of 4. Absolutely beautiful, and I love the texture and the feel of. You can really tell that it's a high quality one, super thick and soft. So yeah, I got those ones, and I also got some bathroom towels from TK Maxx as well, and they were €9.99. Super beautiful. I love the silvery stars details at the bottom right here, and of course the design all over the towel itself. And this was a pack of 2. Cute. This is gonna go to my guest bathroom, and yeah. And from TK Maxx, I also got this ribbon. I hope you can see the details. It's like a beige kind of color with golden details all around it. Okay fam, so that was all I got from TK Maxx. Okay guys, so next we're moving on to Globus. So I got a few things from Globus as well, and these candle stands are one of the items that I got from Globus. Super cute. They've got this golden black kind of ombre going on. So I got 2 of those, and the long one was $9.99 and the short one was $7.99. So next from Globus, I got this should I say branches kind of thing. I'm gonna be using this on the dining. I already have an idea on how I want to use this, so yeah. And I got this ones for $1.99 each bundle, and each bundle has like 3 branches on it. So next from Globus, I got this ribbon, the smaller version. And I also got some Twinkle Lights. I'm thinking of having a second tree upstairs, and this is where I want to use this. Okay, so that was what I got from Globus. Next we're moving on to Globus Baumarkt. This garland right here from the Globus Garden Center, or the Globus Baumarkt. I got 2 of them, and they are 270 centimeters long, so about approximately 2.70 meters, and I got 2 of them, but I can't find the price, but they were absolutely below €10 each. So I got 2. And from the Globus Baumarkt, I also got this wooden tray. The price is also not there, but I guess it was below €5. This was. So next we're moving on to Nanu Nana. I got a few things from Nanu Nana as well, and I got this vase or candle holder. It was $1.95. Nana has some pretty good prices, and I also got this bigger one for $2.95. I got this is it a copper kind of color? I can't say gold because it's more like a lighter version of gold. But anyways, I got this long tray from Nana as well, and it was $14.95. Super solid iron, and it's weighty, and it got this protective stands at the bottom. Super cute deco item. So next we are moving on to Teddy. I got a few stuff from Teddy as well, like this one right here. I got this from Teddy, and each flower was $1.50. So each flower was $1.50. I keep doing this way. I hope you guys are actually seeing what I'm showing. And oh, I forgot this angel right here. Look at this, guys. How cute is this? So I got this one from Globals. I forgot to show it earlier on, and it was $7.99. I thought this was really sweet. And yeah, I might gonna have it sit on one of the window benches. Super cute. The kids love it already. Okay, so next I also shop a bit from the Euro shop, of course, because they do have little items like this that will cause pricing in other shops. In the Euro shop, it's just €1 each. So I got a few of these branches in gold, silver, and green. So these were from the Euro shop. And this fluffy pillow, I got this one from Kick, and it got a zip at the back, so you can actually remove the pillowcase and wash it. This was €7. I thought it was beautiful. My husband said I can't have enough throws. But this was really cute, and yeah, it was worth the price. Okay fam, so last but not the least, I got this pine cones from Danishes Bed and Lager. So, and I also got some snowflakes, and the pine cones I got them in gold and just a natural color. Alright fam, so that completes my Christmas home decor haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.